Hi everyone, everything EmloyConcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you're a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. Today's video is a step-by-step on how we molded our party animals for a safari jungle birthday theme. Kindly watch this video carefully. Definitely you're gonna learn a lot. This is how we molded all the party animals. If you have any questions, kindly drop them below in the comment section. Drop your thoughts. Stick to the very end. Watch this video. You will really learn so much on how you can mold your it doesn't have to be the animal alone. Any other thing you wish to mold without going to buy and spending too much money, you can mold them by yourself. So this video will show you how you can mold with fondant. Enjoy the video, guys, as they watch till the end. I'll see you guys.
Perfect.
Awesome. Feels really good to still have you watching. I'm sure you are enjoying this video and you are learning one or two from the way we molded our party animal. Thank you for still watching. Thank you for staying this far. Please make sure to watch till the end. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share this video. Please subscribe to my channel and expect more interesting and educative videos like this. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. There are still many more to see. Please stay and watch till very end. Continue to enjoy the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Drop your thoughts below. We will definitely respond to every comment. Ask whatever question you have. We will definitely respond. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Kindly share your thoughts, share your takeaway from this video, drop your comments below. Do not forget to like this video as well, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.